This is a 2002 Mercedes-Benz ML 500 serpentine belt replacement and diagram. Before you even start doing and taking this apart, please take a picture of how the belt is placed on. You can see it's not a straight line, it got turns. If not, I'm gonna be leaving the diagram for this specific car, so it's very easy to do. If you can see, you got plenty space up here, so you're gonna need a number 17 with the ratchet. Right under the tensioner is the bolt that we need to get into, right there. Now if you're gonna see, once I press this down, you're gonna see how the tensioner is gonna release pressure from the belt, and that's when you're gonna be able to take it off with the other hand, like that, and you take the whole thing out. So you see where you started, when you put it back, you go the same way. So this one loops around this way, that one, keep going down on this end right there, and comes right up here, like he's going back this way to the alternator, turns there, goes back up. And once you have the new one, you do the same thing, put it back. So if you can see, some of these areas are flat, so that means the flat part of the belt needs to touch that. So to put it back, you start on the alternator on the top, you follow the top, go all the way on that one right there, and go down to the compressor. Bust it to here. This one. That's the tensioner. You want to leave that to last. And then you come to the back and to the alternator. It's supposed to look like this when you're done. Then you gotta get the ratchet, and push the tensioner back in place. Push it down like that, and you release the tensioner. Now you just gotta make sure everything lined up correctly, with the grooves with grooves, and the flat surface with the flat. And you trace it, make sure everything is good, and you turn your car on. That's it. Thanks for watching.